Which day is celebrated as the Maharashtra Day? Answer B. 1st May. The Maharashtra state was formed by the Bombay Reorganization Act in the year. Answer C. 1960. In which year Elephant Caves designated as a UNESCO World Heritage Site? Answer D. 1987. Which one is the highest point in Maharashtra? Answer A. Kalsubai. Approximately how many forts are there in Maharashtra? Answer D. 350. Who was the first Chief Minister of Maharashtra? Answer A. Yashwantrao Chavan. Which fort is the birthplace of Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj? Answer C. Shivneri. Total number of districts in Maharashtra? Answer C. 36. In which year the Bombay High Court was established? Answer B. 1862. Total number of parliamentary constituency? Answer D. 48. Which Marathi newspaper was published by Bal Gangadhar Tilak? Answer B. Kesari. In which year Bombay city has been officially renamed as Mumbai? Answer B. 1995. When the third battle of Panipat was fought between Maratha and Afghan army? Answer A. 1761. Who is known as the political guru of Mahatma Gandhi? Answer C. Gopal Krishna Gokhale. Which one is the longest river in Maharashtra? Answer D. Godavari River. Who was the first person of Maharashtra to receive Bharat Ratna Award? Answer C. Dhondo Keshav Karve. Who was the first Marathi literature to win the Janpeth Award? Answer D. V.S. Khandekar. The Bhudan movement was started by Dash in 1951. Answer B. Vinoba Bhave. In which year the construction of Gateway of India was completed? Answer C. 1924. The Nagpur city is also known as the Dash City of India. Answer A. Orange. Who is known as the spiritual guru of Shivaji? Answer C. Ramdas Swami. Which one is the largest district by area wise in Maharashtra? Answer B. Ahmednagar. Which one is recognized as a state tree in Maharashtra? Answer D. Mango tree. What is the literacy rate of Maharashtra according to 2011 census? Answer B. 82.34%. Which king of England has been presented with Mumbai city as a dowry from Portugal? Answer C. Charles II. The Gateway of India was erected to mark the landing of which king? Answer C. George V. The Bandra Valli Sea Link Bridge was opened for public in the year? Answer B. 2009. In which year the construction of Chhatrapati Shivaji Terminus was completed? Answer A. 1888. Who was the first Vice Chancellor of Mumbai University? Answer A. John Wilson. Who was the founder of the Gwalior State of Scindias? Answer C. Ranoji Rao Scindia. First family planning movement started in Maharashtra by Dash. Answer A. R.D. Karve. Which social religious reformer from Maharashtra was popularly known as Lokhitwadi? Answer C. Gopal Hari Deshmukh. Dash wrote at length about economic exploitation in his work Poverty and Un-British Rule in India. Answer B. Dadabhai Naoroji. Who started the newspaper Sudhar? Answer B. Gopal Ganesh Agarkar. Depressed Classes Mission of India was founded by Dash. Answer A. Vithal Ramaji Sindhe. Project Tiger at Melghat is located in Dash district. Answer C. Amravati. The river Koyna joins the river Krishna at Dash. Answer C. Karad. Where are the judicial benches of Mumbai High Court situated? Answer B. Nagpur, Aurangabad and Panji. Who started enacting the mythological plays in Maharashtra? Answer B. Vishnudas Bhave. Which act in 1960 gave the creation of the state of Maharashtra and Gujarat? Answer D. Mumbai Reorganization Act. Who wrote the Chhatpatre in the weekly Prabhakar? Answer B. Lokhitwadi. Hingane Female Education Institute was founded by Dash. Answer D. Dhondo Keshav Karve. What was the moksha system in the administration of Shivaji? Answer B. To give jagirs to officers. Who founded Arya Mahila Samaj in Pune? Answer B. Pandita Ramabai. Pandita Ramabai opened Sarada Sadhan School for Windows in the year. Answer A. 1889. Who amongst the following is also known as Raj Tirsan? Answer D. Takadoji Maharaj. In which district of Maharashtra the first cooperative sugar factory was established? Answer C. Ahmednagar.